Guys, guess what? I just came back home from a very long day and I received a parcel which I was waiting for eternity. मैंने अपने YouTube की वीडियो पे भी बोला था कि I have pre-ordered something. Let me first open my parcel. It's something very related to me. Oh, wow. Oh my god, I'm holding her book. Oh. If you want the reviews, let me know. Too good to be true. I'm judging the book by the cover. It's amazing.